If you can type a sentence, you can make money with ChatGPT in 2026. No tech skills, no showing your face. I'll give you 4 proven methods, ranked easiest to most profitable, plus the exact prompts. Stay for method 4 because it's the one almost nobody is doing and it pays the most. Let's start with the truth. ChatGPT is not a magic money button, but it is the single most powerful tool a beginner has ever had to start earning online. Companies are paying real money right now for things ChatGPT helps you do in minutes: writing, content, simple automations. The people winning aren't smarter than you. They just learned to point this tool at a problem someone will pay to solve. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how. 4 methods, ranked easiest to most profitable, plus the prompts that do the heavy lifting. Save this video. You'll want to come back to it. Here's why most people make zero with ChatGPT. They open it, type, "How do I make money?" read the generic answer, and close it. That's like buying a drill and asking it to build the house for you. ChatGPT is a tool, not a strategy. The money doesn't come from the chatbot. It comes from a skill or a product you deliver, and ChatGPT just makes you 10 times faster at it. Once that clicks, everything changes. So for each method, focus on the offer, what someone is paying for, and let ChatGPT handle the speed. Keep that in mind, because method 4 depends on it. Method 1, sell writing services. This is the fastest way to your first euro because every business on earth needs words, product descriptions, emails, blog posts, captions. Most owners hate writing and have no time. You step in. With ChatGPT, you can draft a week of social media posts in 20 minutes, then edit them so they sound human and on brand. You're not selling AI writing, you're selling done-for-me content and save time. Charge per project, not per word. A small business will happily pay 50 to 200 euros for a month of captions. Land 3 clients, and that's real recurring income from your laptop. Here's how to start with 0 followers. Pick one type of writing, say Instagram captions for local businesses. Use ChatGPT to create 3 sample caption sets for imaginary shops: a cafe, a gym, a salon. Now you have a portfolio before a single client. Message 10 local businesses, show the sample for their industry, and offer the first week at a discount. ChatGPT writes your outreach message too. The secret isn't talent, it's showing up with proof and removing their work. Stay with me, because in Method 4, I'll show you how to turn one of these clients into a monthly contract worth far more. Method 2, create and sell digital products. This is where you stop trading hours for money. A digital product is something you make once and sell forever: an ebook, a template, a planner, a prompt pack. ChatGPT helps you create all of them. Tell it your topic and audience, and it'll outline a short ebook in seconds. You refine it, add your voice, design a simple cover, and list it on a free platform. There's no inventory, no shipping, no risk. One good product can sell while you sleep. Build a small library of them and the income stacks quietly in the background. The trick to a product that actually sells is solving one specific painful problem. Not how to be productive, too broad. Instead, the 30 ChatGPT prompts that plan your whole week. Specific wins. Ask ChatGPT, give me 10 digital product ideas for beginners who want to make money with AI, each solving one clear problem. Pick the one you'd buy yourself. Then have it draft the content while you guide the direction. Price it low to start, 7 to 17 euros. To get your first sales and reviews. Momentum matters more than perfection. Your first product won't be your best, and that's completely fine. Method 3, build faceless content with ChatGPT. This is how you create an audience without ever showing your face. Exactly what this channel is built on. ChatGPT writes your scripts. You turn those scripts into short videos with an AI voice and stock footage, post them on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and grow an audience you can later sell your products to. The content earns through ad revenue once you grow, but the real money is the audience you build. Every video is a tiny salesperson working for you around the clock. And the scripts? You'll have them in minutes, not hours. Here's the simple loop. Ask ChatGPT for 10 video ideas in your niche. Pick one. Ask it to write a 60-second script with a strong hook in the first line. Generate a voiceover, drop in matching clips, add captions, post. Do that consistently, and the algorithm starts showing your content to strangers. The mistake beginners make is trying to be perfect. Volume and consistency beat polish every time at the start. One of my own short videos took off after dozens that barely moved. You only need a few to hit. ChatGPT removes the hardest part, which is the blank page. Now, method 4, the one almost nobody is doing and the one that pays the most. Offering AI automation to local businesses. Every business has boring, repetitive tasks, answering the same customer questions, following up on leads, sorting inquiries. You can use ChatGPT and simple no-code tools to set up systems that handle these automatically, and businesses will pay you monthly to run them. This isn't a one-off gig. It's recurring revenue. A single small client on a monthly retainer can be worth more than 10 ebook sales. And because so few people offer it locally, the competition is almost zero right now. You don't need to be a programmer. Start simple. Offer a business an automatic reply system that answers their most common customer questions, or a setup that instantly follows up with every new inquiry. You design the messages with ChatGPT and connect them with beginner-friendly tools. Charge a setup fee plus a monthly amount to maintain it. Position it as, "I'll save you hours every week and make sure you never miss a customer." That's an easy yes for a busy owner. This is the most overlooked opportunity in this entire list. Start with one client and grow from there. Let's talk prompts, because the difference between weak and powerful results is how you ask. Rule 1. Give ChatGPT a role. Act as an expert copywriter. It instantly performs better. Rule 2. Give it context, who it's for, the tone, the goal. Rule 3. Ask for options, not one answer. Give me 5 versions, lets you pick the best. Rule 4. Tell it to ask you questions before answering anything important, so it gathers what it needs instead of guessing. Master these 4 moves and you'll get results most people never see from the same tool. Here are 3 prompts to copy right now. For content, act as a social media expert. Give me 10 short video ideas about making money with AI, each with a scroll-stopping hook. For products, act as a digital product strategist. Suggest 5 products I can create and sell as a beginner, each solving one specific problem. For clients, write a friendly outreach message offering social media content to a local cafe, short and human. Notice the pattern. Role, task, specifics. Build your own little library of prompts that work, and you'll save hours every single week. None of this matters without your first sale, so let's get you there. The biggest mistake is waiting until everything is perfect. You don't need a brand, a logo, or 1,000 followers. You need one offer and 10 conversations. Pick one method from this video, just one. Spend a weekend creating the sample, product, or system. Then reach out to 10 real people or businesses, or post your product to one platform. Most will say nothing. You only need one yes to prove it works. That first sale turns "maybe this works" into "this works. Now I scale." Once you have that first win, you simply repeat and improve. Raise your prices slightly with each new client. Reinvest a little time into making your product better. Use ChatGPT to speed up every part so you can take on more without burning out. The people earning real money with AI aren't doing something magical. They found one offer that works and kept refining it. Consistency is the whole game. Most people quit in the first month, right before momentum kicks in. If you simply don't quit, you'll already be ahead of almost everyone who watched a video like this and did nothing. So here's your 7-day plan. Day 1. Choose one method from this video. Day 2. Set up ChatGPT and save the 3 prompts I gave you. Days 3 and 4. Create your sample, product, or content. Day 5. Reach out to 10 people or publish your product. Day 6. Follow up and refine. Day 7. Review and plan, week 2. That's it. 7 days from now, you could have your first offer live in the real world. The tools have never been cheaper or more powerful. The only missing piece is you starting. If this gave you a plan, do me a favor. Subscribe so the next video finds you and grab my free AI Income Starter Guide in the description to go deeper. Then come back and tell me which method you picked. I'll see you in the next one.